Good evening, folks. This is Brian from Dynamic Trading Technologies. We're going to go over a couple parts of our program with you. Today we'll just be talking about market data, pre and post market trades, and I'll be able to show that to you on our platform looking at some of our charts. And just as a refresher, market data is financial information that is used for the purpose of analyzing and understanding financial markets. For us, it'll be the United States stock market and the crypto markets. Now, equity market data includes the opening and closing prices of stocks on any given day and the volume of trades for that stock. We also have pre and post market trades, which we'll go over very shortly. Crypto, slightly different, trades 24/7, so the data is active all day long and night. There will be no pre and post market as the market trades continuously. So let's go over the simplest one first, because there is no pre and post market trades, but you will see where activity is a lot greater. Now we're going to bring up a -minute chart. And what I have here is candlestick patterns. And on the candlesticks, you'll be able to see the green bars would be up candles and the red bars obviously would be down bars. Go to the equity side. The trade we were trading yesterday was SQ. It had come out with a negative bearish report, and the stock dropped precipitously in the pre-market and then bounced when the market was opened, reached a high and sold off. Now at the end of the day, this is 4 o'clock yesterday Eastern time, this is your post-market trades. 8 o'clock, post-market ends. The next morning, pre-market starts to trade, and you can see it drifts lower from where it closed in the post-market yesterday, starts to rally, and you can see the volume start to pick up here. This is where the market actually opens. 9:30. Right there. So these are all your pre-market trades. And now the market's open. These are your active trades. This candle signifies the stock opened here, was as high as here, was as low here, and closed here. The next candle opens here, and immediately rallies as high as here, but closes here. This is from our data feeds, so you'll get a picture of how the stock is actually trading, and you can coincide that, obviously, with volume. A lot of volume usually occurs in that first 30-45 minutes of trading. Then the volume should dissipate through the lunchtime hours, and will start to pick back up again around 2 o'clock. We thank you for your time.